Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the CPC4, which stands for Common Powertrain Controller for select semi-trucks and buses. The CPC4 is an interface between the MCM, otherwise known as the Motor Control Module, and many functions like the instrument cluster, accelerator, brake pedals, transmission, cruise control, and even the brake switches. In other words, it's the gateway brain computer for various computer modules to talk to each other. These particular CPC4s can be found on the select year, makes, and models you'll see on the screen. The location of the CPC4 module is typically inside the dash behind the upper center panel. So the reason these are notoriously known to fail is due to the manufacture and design, where there is excessive conformal coating found on the circuit board that reduces the life cycle of the components found on the CPC4. The most common symptoms of a failing CPC4 module include failed throttle accelerator control, meaning when you press on a gas pedal, there's no response, communication issues with the instrument cluster panel, the truck or bus doesn't start due to CPC4 failure, the ABS light is on, or the DEF diesel exhaust fluid light is on due to a faulty CPC4. And here on the screen you'll see the different kind of diagnostic trouble codes that may be associated with the issues of a failing CPC4. So you might be asking, why repair the original one? Well, purchasing a replacement CPC4 can cost thousands of dollars for a used, good working one, let alone a new one, plus the additional programming fees to pair it to the truck since these are VIN encoded and have specific programming. Having your original CPC4 rebuilt is ideal not only because it has all of your original programming, but because another used or new one might have the same manufacturing defects, which means it'll only be a matter of time before the issues inside have to be addressed. Save thousands of dollars by having your original one refurbished by UpFix. Not only will it be plug and play when you get it back, but it'll also come with a 1-year warranty. You can also select a 2, 3, or even a 5-year warranty as an optional upgrade when you send in your CPC4 for repairs. Here at our facility, we have expert technicians capable of performing the repairs needed with specialized tools specifically to address the known issues commonly known on the CPC4. Once your unit arrives at our facility, we first confirm that a valid VIN number has been provided and check to make sure the issues described are something we can repair. When that's been confirmed, we can repair your unit typically within 3 to 5 business days. After scanning your truck or bus, visit our website, upfix.com, and find the service repair page for your particular unit. If the codes and issues match exactly what you're experiencing in your truck or bus, send it in for repair. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.